Good afternoon. I briefly wanted to walk you through how to register for classes if you haven't done that yet. Go to the NW-SCC website, and from there you have a couple of options. One of the options is if you have not yet applied to the college, you can click on that link that says apply online and fill out the information there to apply. Otherwise, you will want to go to something called MyNWSCC. So you scroll down to the middle of the page and you see the MyNWSCC. Click on that and it will take you to the banner or login system. From here we have the summer classes information. Click on the Continue to MyNWSCC. We sometimes call this the banner system. From there, a page will open up that will allow you to log in. You will need your student number and password, usually your 6-digit birthday to start with, and then it will change your password or PIN after that. Log into there, you then click on Student and Financial Aid. That will take you to this page. Click on Registration, and then you will add or drop classes. Hopefully we're adding classes at this point. And then this page will pop up and you see you have your CRNs. CRNs are the course reference numbers, and you can find those in the semester schedule. For the summer semester, the schedule looks like this. You will then look for the emergency medical services. For day EMT, those are the courses you will need. You will note that the yellow classes, EMS 118 and 119, are required for EMT. The green ones, EMS 100 and 107, are optional but highly recommended classes. If you have questions about which classes to take, please contact one of us and we will help you with that. These are the courses you would need for the evening classes, and these are the courses you'll need for first semester paramedic class. Once you have your CRNs, you enter them into the worksheet, and then at the very end you click on Submit. Once you have submitted changes, you now have to pay. Please go to the website where you can pay for your classes, and don't miss the deadlines or you'll be swept out of your classes. We look forward to seeing you in school this semester.